Ka kunhun menteri ka sorkar jela ha ka santarik unai wing kala ai ka jing Mynjur ya ka amendment ni ka jing penkala thma yi ki kendon jong Meghalaya building bylaws kenang ban perking batte kendon halor ki kam te yeng te sem ha ki industrial zone ki bakan thup mau khanu bat mau kasyang ki bahap hapo ka New Shillong township habakren shakila patai kubor hadin ka jingalang umenteri sorkar ubadiru unong aiktin ka sorkar MDA uba pol lingdo ulaong kani ka amendment ka day ka balapan kre halor ka jingdan kam ban panya peri ki industrial zone ka bamsham ladan menshwa bat ka bakan thop ya ka amendment jong ka building bylaws ya kini ki industrial zone kumba phiatip ba ka jingpan he ki bajia menta khamtam ha New Shillong city ka day ka bahap banda perkhat sani bha ha ka rukam ka badai badai na kata ka daw idon kam bandan ye ki kindon ki bathma jong ka bylaws ya ki industrial zone ula banram Habakali umenteri ulaong bakini ki kindon ki bathamai kintre kam ha ki jaka bala ithu kum ki industrial estate hakeleng ki jaka hapo ka jela namar ka jingpen he ki jaka sor ki dei ki kam ki badang ya shakmat nakapor shakapor kumju habakali ya ka sorkar kala ithu ne am ki industrial zone ha New Shillong city uba pol ulaong am ha ki jaka kum ha mau khanu bat mau kasyang gila don ye ki jaka badon ki karkhana batru ha ki jaka ki baladap thit da ka sorkar jela
One is the amendment of the Meghalaya building bylaws. This is broadly to facilitate the need to categorize the industrial zones into categories that were earlier not done, and also it involves amendment of the building bylaws for these industrial zones. And as you're aware, the expansion that is happening currently, especially in the New Shillong area, the new city, has to be planned in a very scientific manner, which is why we need this new set of bylaws for the industrial zones to be in place, and these were considered and approved by the cabinet. Industrial estates across Meghalaya, because the urbanization is an ever ongoing process and it is expanding, but as of date, certain categories of buildings have not been duly notified, and therefore there is a need to regulate such buildings. There is a need to categorize them, to define the FAR of each of the categories, setbacks, all of those issues. Hence, there's a need to regulate such buildings, and therefore the cabinet decided that in view of the growing urbanization and the emergence of new urban centers, so within these industrial zones and estates, the categorization of these buildings and their applicability of the bylaws will be extended to those industrial zones. No, these are all for as I said, the industrial estates, industrial zones. It's wherever such activities are taking place. So right now, New Shillong is the immediate point of attention, but it will be across the state wherever such industrial estates are being created. No. What is happening is that in areas like Mau Khanu, areas like Mau Kasyang, we will have these industrial zones within areas already acquired by government of Meghalaya.